Welcome back to the Project and Materials YouTube channel. If you want to access additional updates and tutorials on project writing, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Understanding the dimensions of predictor variables is crucial for a study as they help in predicting or explaining the outcomes or dependent variables. Here are questions to consider when exploring the dimensions of predictor variables in a project report. 1. What are the specific predictor variables under investigation? Identifying the variables that are anticipated to influence or predict the outcomes is the starting point. It provides clarity on what factors are being examined. 2. How are these predictor variables defined or measured? Understanding how these variables are defined and measured ensures consistency and accuracy in their assessment throughout the study. 3. Are there different aspects or components within each predictor variable? Acknowledging different aspects or components within each predictor variable helps in understanding their complexity and potential impact. 4. What are the key characteristics or dimensions of each predictor variable? Exploring the essential traits or dimensions of each variable provides a nuanced understanding, aiding in more precise analysis. 5. How do these predictor variables relate to the overall research objectives or hypotheses? Ensuring that these predictor variables align with the research objectives or hypotheses maintains focus and relevance in the study. 6. Do these predictor variables encompass multiple facets or perspectives? Recognizing that predictor variables may have various facets or perspectives enriches the understanding of their potential effects. 7. How reliable and valid are the measurements or assessments of these predictor variables? Assessing the reliability and validity of measurements ensures the credibility of the data collected for these variables. 8. Are there subcategories or subgroups within each predictor variable that need consideration? Identifying subcategories or subgroups within predictor variables allows for a more detailed analysis, considering different segments within each variable. 9. How do the predictor variables interrelate or interact with each other? Understanding how predictor variables interrelate or interact with each other helps in exploring complex relationships and potential confounding factors. 10. In what ways do these predictor variables influence or predict the outcomes of interest? Recognizing how these predictor variables influence or predict the outcomes of interest sets the stage for understanding their significance within the study's context. Addressing these questions aids researchers in defining, analyzing, and contextualizing predictor variables, allowing for a more comprehensive understanding of their role in predicting or explaining the outcomes being studied. Consider hiring our experienced writers for assistance with your project. Remember to share and recommend this video to your friends for project writing insight.